Hey, what is up, you guys? I figured I'd bring you guys along with me for today. Honestly, we're just doing a bunch of little miscellaneous stuff to the Subaru and getting the Jeep ready for paint. The primer's already laid down on it, and genuinely yesterday we finished putting in the core support, and the fenders are in, and both are gapped really equal, and everything looks real nice. There's only one problem though. This bumper looks cool from the front, but I don't know if you guys can tell. This isn't the correct bumper. And honestly, that's not Sligo's fault, where I got the parts from. Pretty much I asked them for just specifically bug-eye parts, and well, truth be told, they did give me bug-eye parts, and I can't be upset about that. But I don't know. Regardless, I'm going to call them and see what they can do for me. Maybe I can just swap it out, because the only part that doesn't line up is the back. Like if I push that up, it actually does line up and goes the whole way, but it is clearly not the correct bumper. So I don't know. It's not the reinforcement, it's just the cover. So regardless, that's just $100. It's not a big deal. So it's kind of more or less just a bumper cover away from being a rolling chassis again, minus me having to put the suspension back in, and then a bunch of other miscellaneous parts, and also flanges that I have to weld up for the fenders that are on the core support. Just a bunch of little stuff. So yeah, bro, I did it with the metal shears. You know, the cutters from Harbor Freight? Yeah, you know the ones we get in fucking pre-K? Can do some crazy shit with those, bro. All right, so those welds don't have to be like perfect visually, they just have to be incredibly sound, and this is rock solid, so I'm okay with that. And then ground down, seam sealed, it's gonna be flush, so that's cool. I feel like today was a great day to put all the miscellaneous stuff in, like the little battery tray and some fender pieces and brackets and etc. And there's some more stuff to do tomorrow. It was also a great day to paint that, and going along with painting and clearing that, I really can't make too much dust. So honestly, it's just kind of a good day to just put it down for a little bit and just do some really light stuff like that tray. You know, honestly, we got some good progress done this past week. I'm excited for tomorrow to just keep on chugging with this. I appreciate each and every single one of you tuning in for each episode. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.